Have you ever wondered why bees are often referred to as the guardians of our food supply? Bees are critical for pollinating a vast majority of the foods that grace our tables every single day. From tart apples and sweet berries to hearty squash and zesty zucchini, bees are diligently working behind the scenes, making our meals possible. Without these tireless workers, many essential nutrients that we take for granted would become scarce. Indeed, without these tiny creatures, our plates would look vastly different. But how exactly do bees contribute to our food production, you may ask? Well, bees are the masterminds of nature's pollination process. As they flit from one flower to another, these buzzing architects are on a quest for nectar, their primary food source. But here's where the magic happens. As they forage, pollen from the male parts of the flower sticks to their fuzzy bodies. When they visit the next flower, some of this pollen rubs off onto the female parts of the new flower. This transfer of pollen, my friends, is called pollination. And it's vital because it fertilizes plants, enabling them to produce the fruits and seeds we enjoy on our dining tables every day. And so, in this wonderful dance of nature, both bees and plants benefit. The bees get their nectar, which they turn into honey, and the plants get to reproduce. It's a win-win situation, really. The plants get to reproduce, and the bees get food. Unfortunately, the guardians of our food supply are under threat. Bees are facing a myriad of challenges, from exposure to harmful pesticides to the loss of their natural habitats. Diseases, too, are decimating bee populations at an alarming rate. And let's not forget colony collapse disorder, a perplexing phenomenon where worker bees simply abandon their hives. These threats are pushing many bee species to the brink, jeopardizing our food production. The decline in bee populations isn't just an environmental issue, it's an economic one, too. Bees are tiny powerhouses, contributing more than $15 billion to the U.S. economy through their pollination services. They're the unseen workers behind the scenes, ensuring our food supply is abundant and diverse. Without them, our agricultural industry would take a considerable hit, leading to a ripple effect on other sectors. The global impact could be devastating if we don't act now. But there's hope. We can all contribute to saving our little guardians. Consider planting bee-friendly flowers or herbs in your garden or even on your windowsill. These plants provide much-needed nourishment for our buzzing friends. Also, think about reducing, or better yet, eliminating pesticide use. These chemicals can harm bees and disrupt their important work. And don't forget to support your local beekeepers. They're on the front lines, ensuring our bees stay healthy. Remember, every small act counts. As we look to the future, the survival of bees and our food supply are intertwined. Prioritizing sustainable farming practices is not just a noble endeavor, it's a necessity. These practices safeguard the habitats of bees, allowing them to continue their crucial role in pollination. Coupled with this, we must bolster investments in research to better understand and combat the threats bees face. Remember, when we invest in these little guardians, we're investing in our future. So, the next time you enjoy a meal, remember the silent heroes behind it. These tiny pollinators, the bees, are vital in shaping our food supply, from fruits to vegetables. They face threats like pesticides and habitat loss, yet they contribute billions to our economy. We can safeguard their future by embracing sustainable farming and supporting local beekeepers. If you would like to see more of this content, subscribe and hit that like button. Thank you for watching a Wisdom Waves video. See you next time.